Hello, Advanced Spreadsheets. We're going to do another tricky area using the pre-online revision paper, and we're going to do question 10. So the question asks us, in the invoice worksheet, that is the worksheet that's still in the revision workbook that we've worked with earlier, it wants us to protect the cells E16 and E17 using a password called no editing, but allow all other cells to be able to include data entry. So we're also being asked to use the keyboard shortcut to show all formulas used in the worksheet without editing any cell contents. So we're going to do this question together, so come with me. So using the Spreadsheets pre-online work files, we're going to open up revision. If you've still got it open from last time, then that's fine. And we're looking for the invoice worksheet, which is this sheet here. So if we highlight all of these cells using this little square in the corner and right click and go to Format Cells, I'm just demonstrating to you how all cells in Excel are automatically locked. So they're locked by default, that's what we say. So they already start as being locked. So the first thing you've got to do is unlock them. And you can find that all on right-click, Format Cells and the Protection tab, and untick the locked feature and OK. Then it's asking us to lock down E16 and E17 only. So we highlight those cells and then we right-click, Format Cells, and we lock those ones only so that they're locked and OK. And then we have to, in order for it to take place, we have to do the format and we have to use Protect Sheet. And this is where we would use our password. So we have the password no editing and we OK, and then it'll ask us to re-enter. So no editing, re-entering it again, OK, and now hopefully if you click on there and hit delete, you should get a notice. If you hit on there, it does allow you to do so. So I'm just going to unlock and protect the sheet just for demonstration purposes. We've done the first part of the question, but I want to protect the sheet, and if I did, I'd have to use no editing in order to do that, password. But let's look at how we can do this a quicker way. So the first thing I'm going to do is highlight all of the cells, right click and make sure they're locked through the Protection tab there. So this is how the spreadsheet would start. So this is another way of doing the same thing. So we highlight the whole sheet, into Format, click on Lock Cell. Lock Cell acts, it's a toggle feature, so it acts as unlocking and locking depending where you are. So we'll unlock, highlight the cells you want to lock down, back into Format and lock those cells, and then in order for it to take place, back into Format, Protect Sheet, and then use no editing. OK, no editing again, OK, and job done. So you can double check and just try and delete them and whatever. OK, so the second part of the question is asking us to show formula. So you can see the formula in the back end using shortcut keys. So the shortcut keys that we'd use is the Control and the grave accent key, which is right above the tab. So you hold the Control and you tap on the grave accent key just above the tab key, and you can see that you can flip between what they call values and formula mode. And that's the shortcut key you would be expected to use in the test. Another way of viewing that to see that this feature is on is through the Formulas tab, and you can see that the Show Formula is there and it's on, it's activated. So that's question 10. I hope that helps, and we're going to move on to another area next. Thank you.